uh, ha-
Ma'am, I will also
pretend.
try.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning to all of you. Yesterday, one student was asking me that, ma'am, how we are going? Yes, good morning. He was asking me, ma'am, how I can write the long answer questions. So I said that don't get panic with seeing long answer question, because the questions you have to split out, isn't it? You have to split out the question in three
Three
in
points,
such
4
a way
points.
that you will be able to answer it. For example, take it as a part wise. For example, one sentence, if the question is, what do you mean by constitution, isn't it? And the second part is what? Shivangi, what was the question? Read out the question.
Ma'am, why
Read
do
out the
some
question. I will
people
tell you.
say
This is
that?
only.
Why do some people say that India is a federation with unitary features? Explain with the
Yeah.
help of any
Wait,
five
wait, wait, wait,
constitutional
wait,
provisions.
wait. Shivangi, wait. So I said one line question which was added in front of that question. What do you mean by constitution? Okay. So Shashank, tell me, what do you mean by constitution? All of you please make it out. जिस बच्चे ने पूछा था कि लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन में 3 लाइन का भी क्वेश्चन अगर होता है तो आप उसको कैसे लिखेंगे? तो पहला क्वेश्चन आता है, अभी 3 लाइन का क्वेश्चन ये है, हमने रीड आउट कर लिया है. पहला लाइन है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? शशांक विल से.
Constitution. The Constitution is body of fundamental truth according to the which
कोई मशरूम दे दो, कोई मशरूम दे दो.
Lawmaking body according
Second.
to
lawmaking body.
Okay. The second part, Shivangi, second part, the question, second part.
Why do
Second
some
part क्या
people
question?
say that India is a federation with unitary features?
Who is going to answer it?
Ma'am.
Why do some people say that India is a
Federation with unity.
Ma'am, a federation with
federation?
unitary features.
Ma'am.
With unitary features.
Unitary features. Tell me.
Ma'am, India is a federation with
Who
unitary
is
features.
going to-
Ma'am, India is a federation with unitary features because India is divided into two types of government. That is the union government and the central government. Ma'am, but the central government, but the central government is so powerful that at a time it appears that India is not a federation, but with a very strong union government. These federal form of government is made to fulfill the requirements of all people, so that each and every government will look after his on his own area to fulfill the requirements of the people.
Very good. Okay, very good. And is there any more part is left of the question? शिवांगी, और भी क्वेश्चन का पार्ट बचा हुआ है?
Yes, ma'am, इसी का question था.
By the constitutional
Explain with the
provision.
help
और एक
of
part
any
बचा,
5
हाँ.
constitutional provisions.
Okay. So any 5 constitutional provision. So provision तो आपको लिखना होगा. 5 provision कौन-कौन से हैं?
Ma'am,
Last
powerful
part का
central
आपको
government.
power है ना?
center and the state. We have a single citizenship. Government
Yes,
at the
ma'am.
center is very strong.
हाँ.
We have a single integrated judiciary. We have an independent judiciary.
Ma'am, we have universal identity franchise, and we have a single citizenship, and
Integrated judicial system.
Ma'am, head of
and ma'am,
state
the
is
entire
president.
judiciary is one hierarchy of courts, and the Supreme Court of India and the High Court form a single integrated judicial structure with jurisdiction
हाँ.
over all laws. Ma'am, India has an
Yeah,
independent
stop there.
judiciary free
Yes,
from the
hello.
influence of the executive and the legislature.
So what do I, why this, we have taken the example of such a big question? Because we want to answer in part wise. Those whoever are there in the class, they will understand that no question is lengthy and no question is long and no question is hard. Till now, I want to make you understand that any topic, if you know, and the question will be asked in the fragment, you are going to write it. Ab jaise if the Harshvardhan has given the answer very nicely by giving the example, it's good. But the last part of the question was related to the provision. So that provision you have to write down at least in point wise, so that the last part also contains some marks. You have seen 2, 2, 1. Isn't it? For 2 marks, 2 marks, then last part 3 line का question है, तो last में जो 1 marks बच गया आपको उस provision के लिए, है ना? So like this,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
marks is allotted for the children. So the things has been done. So you will be doing the civics question. Any more part is there left with for the revision in that part, in that chapter? If you want to ask me any question from that chapter, any confusion?
मैम प्रोविजन एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए ना.
Page number, take out the page number.
मैम जो 5 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजन है.
Page number, tell me the page number which you are looking at.
मैम क्वेश्चन 1953 मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5.
Question number 5.
E5.
अभी तो इसका आंसर
बोलिए आप, बोलिए. Single integrated judicial system. अभी कौन बोला था आंसर? 5
Universal
provisions.
Universal
franchisee,
adult franchise,
single
single
citizenship,
citizenship, single
independent
integrated
judiciary.
judicial system, and independent judiciary.
Parliament form of government,
Ma'am,
parliamentary
division
form
of
of
power
government.
between center and states.
So this thing you have to explain in 1 or 2 lines, not more than 1 or 2 lines. Any other question?
मैम इंडिपेंडेंस जुडिशरी एक बार डिस्कस कर देना.
Independent?
जुडिशरी
Okay.
में 199.
190. 190?
मैम एक सेकंड.
191.
No, 191.
191. 191. Single integrated judicial system. We have a one single judicial system in our country. And unlike the other judicial system of the United States, we do not have a separate federal and state court. Means हमारा जो जुडिशियल सिस्टम है वो एक सिंगल जुडिशियल सिस्टम है, दैट इज सुप्रीम कोर्ट, और उसके अंडर में हमारे सारे जुडिशियल सिस्टम काम करते हैं, जैसे हाई कोर्ट एंड all are supervised by the Supreme Court. So in our country, the entire judiciary is on hierarchy of the court, and the Supreme Court of the India and the High Court form a single integrated judicial structure with the jurisdiction over all laws. ये हमारा जो High Court है, it is also guided by the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Judicial System जो हमारा एक ही है, वो है हमारा Supreme Court. ठीक है? So these
Okay, ma'am.
things are there. You have to write down it is in point wise. And under high courts, there are other supervision courts there, like civil court and subordinate courts are there. Why we said that it is independent? Ankit,
Yes, ma'am.
Ankit Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
huh? I want to say you that why we say that it is a independent one, because our judicial system is free from all the resources
free to
which is
give
from
this,
outside,
free to-
isn't it? Whether president, prime minister, even the judges, एक जज हो करके भी वो अपने लिए कोई पॉजिटिव बात नहीं बोल सकते हैं। जो चीजें उनके लिए हैं कानून के नजर में वो वही बात बोलेंगे, ठीक है? चाहे if his son, his family member or anyone, then also he has to state the decision in the right part according to the statements and the proofs which are present in the jurisdiction. So this is that free, you can say independent है. It's not bounded with anyone. वो किसी का लिए भी bounded नहीं है, bound नहीं कर सकते कोई भी executive हो, president हो, prime minister हो, यहाँ तक कि judge भी. We have taken one chapter in class 6, Panch Parameshwar,
Yes, ma'am.
जिसमें
Yes,
वो इतने
ma'am.
बड़े घनिष्ठ मित्र थे,
Ma'am,
फिर भी वो
Alluri
एक दूसरे
और
को हेल्प
कैसे?
नहीं कर पाए। तो
Yes, ma'am.
इसी तरह से हमारा हाँ, अलगू चौधरी और जुम्मन से, तो हमारा ये जो जुडिशियल सिस्टम है वो बड़ा इंडिपेंडेंट है, पूरी तरह से उस पे किसी हामी नहीं कर सकता है। So the fundamental rights and directive principle of state policy and fundamental duties, these are also one of the provision which are given by our constitution, है ना? समझ रहे हैं इस बात को? मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपने डायरेक्टिव फंडामेंटल राइट्स यू नो, बट फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज टाइम आ रहा है, मैं करवा दूंगी आप लोगों से कुछ ड्यूटीज. You have to make a flag with your color pen, color sketch, and you will show me. Okay? Before, on the day of that particular day, if you will be meeting on 26 Jan, that day also, मेरे को तो लगता है हर चीज का वैल्यू उसी दिन होता है. अगर आप मकर संक्रांति जो है ना 20 तारीख को कोई बनाया तो मजा नहीं आएगा, और वो आज भी किसी ने अगर खा लिया हो तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. हम तो रोज खा लेते हैं, है ना? खा लेते हैं क्या कि जनवरी से किसी ने नहीं खाया फिर उसी दिन खाएंगे 15 तारीख को, isn't it? So these things are there. तो फ्लैग वाला चीज हमारा उसी दिन होना चाहिए, और हम लोग अगर उस दिन बना लेंगे ना फ्लैग तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. अंकित आप बनाओगे ना? Can you tell
Yes,
me the
ma'am,
color of the flag, how it is going on? Which color is on the
Ma'am,
top,
orange.
then in the
Ma'am,
middle,
orange.
and then the
Saffron.
last one?
Ma'am, orange.
Huh?
Ma'am, orange.
Saffron, white, and then green.
Upper part is
Saffron, white, and then
Green.
part is white and lower part is
Okay.
green.
I'll tell you one thing. When I was going through the small talk about the ethics of online class, that time I said that children, they must have their books, color, blue, A4 size paper, and water bottle, and good posture, chair, table, everything manageable, isn't it? ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैंने बोला कि एक सीजर से पेपर काटो, मम्मी मुझे सीजर दे देना, ए छोटू तू मुझे पेन दो तो जल्दी, मुझे मैडम ने अभी एक चीज बोला करने के लिए, मुझे दे दो, पूरा सामान ही मुझे दे दो, ऐसे नहीं करना है. तो मैं बता रही हूँ कल A4 साइज का 3 या 4 पेपर अपने पास रखो आप लोग, सभी लोग, ठीक है? कुछ कलर पेंसिल रखना, कुछ ब्लू रखना, कुछ सीजर रखना, और किताब तो पता. शो मी द बुक्स विच यू आर हैविंग right now on the screen. How many are keeping books? कोई पीछे से नहीं मांगेगा. Very nice. Yes, very nice. Yes, yes, yes. Good, 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 good. हाँ, तो बुक्स भी होना बहुत जरूरी है, और भी मैनर्स हैं, और भी मैनर ये हैं कि अगर कोई बीच में अचानक से इमरजेंसी कॉल हो गया शशांक को फॉर टॉयलेट, इमरजेंसी कॉल इज फॉर टॉयलेट, तो यहाँ पर एक चैट बॉक्स आता है बेटा, चैट बॉक्स, मैडम आई एम गोइंग टू लीव फॉर 2 मिनट्स, वो चैट बॉक्स में आप मुझे चैट कर सकते हो,
Few minutes.
है ना? हाँ, तो पानी का बॉटल भी पास में ही रखोगे, नो डाउट 40 मिनट्स में तो किसी को टॉयलेट भी जाना हो सकता है, तो वो मुझे चैट बॉक्स में लिख देंगे, फिर मैं तुरंत आ जाएंगे। और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि हमें वीडियो में ऑनलाइन रहना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर वो बच्चे ना ऐसे केवल अपना वीडियो में कुछ भी लगा के चले गए, तो ये ऑनलाइन क्लास थोड़ी है। यहाँ तो मुझे है ना, इन व्हेन वी आर फेस टू फेस, नो, वी सी द चिल्ड्रन इन द some cornered students, they can hide their face by the next to student जो बैठा रहता है, उससे अपना फेस हाइड कर सकता है। बट दिस इन ऑनलाइन क्लास वी कांट हाइड। अंकित राज को तो मैं रोज देख लेती हूँ। अंकित राज इज एवरी डे ही इज विजिबल, एंड इफ यू वर इन द क्लास यू मस्ट बी हाइडिंग, है ना। बट I can't. In the online class, we all are face to face. Such things are there with us. So this is all about that, the fundamental rights and the directive principles and the state policy of fundamental duties. These all are very important for us. As right now, so many things have been asked. Manvi Raj, hello. Manvi Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me any one of the fundamental rights?
Ma'am, right to education.
Okay, Sangam Kumar. Srishti. Srishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Any one fundamental duty. Any one fundamental duty.
Ma'am.
Ankit. Any one fundamental duty.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, casting vote could be fundamental duty.
What?
Ma'am, casting
Pass.
vote. Casting vote.
Yeah, casting vote, but you are not casting the vote. Duties में तो है.
Right equality.
Ma'am, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity
to
of
freedom.
India.
Value and preserve the rich.
Ma'am, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite
Yes, we
culture.
have, no doubt, as I said, that we have a composite culture. है ना, हमारे पास इतने सारे कंपोजिट कल्चर है, हेरिटेज है हमारे पास में, उन सबको संजो के रखना, प्रिजर्व करना ही हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा ड्यूटी है. वो भी हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा ड्यूटी है. एंड टू रिस्पेक्ट द नेशनल फ्लैग एंड टू स्टैंड एंड नेशनल एंथम, टू सेफगार्ड द पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी एंड टू एब्ज्यूट द वायलेंस. Parents and guardians should provide opportunities for education to his or her child or what between the age of 6 and 14 years. Isn't it? It has been added in the 86th amendment in 2002. मैंने कहा आपको कि amendment तब होता है हमारे constitution में क्योंकि our constitution should be in progressive manner. रिजिड तब है कि उसे इतना जल्दी हम चीजों को हटा नहीं सकते उसमें से, मगर वो फ्लेक्सिबल तब है क्योंकि वो प्रोग्रेसिव होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी इन प्रोग्रेसिव मैनर. कैन यू टेल मी दैट इज देयर समथिंग इज गिवन इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अबाउट दिस पेंडेमिक टाइम? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ऐसा भी दिया हुआ है ना कि कभी कोई बहुत बड़ा महामारी आ जाएगा या कोई बहुत बड़ी बीमारी आ जाएगी तो उसमें सरकार क्या करेंगे और लोग क्या करेंगे.
तुरंत एक्शन होगा.
नेशनल इमरजेंसी, लॉकडाउन.
आप पता करिएगा. Whenever, yes, I have given you many of the times I leave the question for you for the research work. In this online classes, this is also one of the great thing that students must Google. Student must do some research work in the Google. And I think so some students are doing very well in this. I've seen. And if you do like this, no, you will be more attentive and you will be very much attentive and attracted towards your topics. Because I don't say the word simply, I don't say, isn't it? So in Constitution, many things are given. You can go and search about it. कोई भी चीज हमारा ना हमारे संविधान के खिलाफ नहीं जा रहा है. अभी जो भी चीजें हमारे साथ हो रही हैं, जितनी भी चीजें चल रही हैं, कोई भी चीज ऐसा नहीं है जो that we are violating the constitution. No, we are seeing it is in consideration, then only the things are going on. What are the significance of secularism? Any one of you? The concept of secularism is based on equal treatment. to all the religion.
Ma'am,
And
every
secularism is not.
region can enjoy their equal rights.
The state doesn't have its
Yeah,
own
and
And
religion.
the concept
the
secular
great
based
thing
equal
about
treatment to all
secularism-
religion.
Very nice. And the great thing about the secularism is not merely it is a desirable, but it is essential for the healthy existence of the pluralist society. If you want a purist society, pure society होना चाहिए, तो ये हमारा जो है ये desirable नहीं है, ये essential है. ये desire के साथ साथ essential भी है. Desire तो होना ही चाहिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? If somebody is some Christian family is living, is your neighbor, and if some Sikh family is your neighbor, so if they think that कि कोई हमें हैप्पी क्रिसमस बोल दे या मुझे कोई बैसाखी का वो पर्व का बोल दे, वो सोचे अगर आपने अपने मन से उनको विश कर दिया तो ये क्या होगा? एसेंशियल चीजें हैं. क्या है ये?
Essential चीज.
Essential.
Essential मैम.
Essential for healthy existence.
See, as you have seen the things, I want to discuss about it, that Indian secularism is related to the constitutional values, isn't it? Indian secularism is related to the constitutional value. And what is our constitutional value? Liberty, equality, justice, and fraternity. Secularism is important for India for the following reason. Why? हमारा जो वैल्यू है, constitutional value अगर हम करने जा रहे हैं तो वो क्या है? लिबर्टी होनी चाहिए, इक्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, जस्टिस है, फ्रेटर्निटी है. ठीक है? So these all things are very much important, and secularism is important for India for the following reason. Why it is important for the India? Secularism, it enables the people and religion to live in harmony.
It enables
with
the people of different religion to live in harmony with other families.
It is a part of
It
democracy
protects
which
the
cannot
right
see
given to the
It is a part of a
minorities.
constitution
It
to
It
protects the
safeguards
right
democracy
follow
by
all
given to
the
limiting the
castes and
powers of the
religions.
majority.
and it is a part of democracy which grants equal rights. ये democracy का part है जो सबको equal rights देते हैं. It protects the right given to the minority and it safeguards the democracy by limiting the powers of the majority. Here bit is that limiting the power of majority. It's not, don't take it as an otherwise. It doesn't mean that the majority power it is limited. The thing is that to give them the opportunity. है ना? ये चीज होनी चाहिए. This chapter is completed. Anyone want to ask me anything? What do you mean by pluralist? Pluralist.
A society in which
Keyword
many
का है.
different
A
groups and
society in which many different groups
politically
and political
parties are allowed to
exist.
exist.
Many different groups are there, religion are there, political parties are there, and all are allowed to live happily there, and they are existing there, isn't it? Human trafficking. What do you
Ma'am,
mean
the
by
act of
human
buying and selling
trafficking?
human
The
beings.
act of
The
buying and
act of
selling
buying
human
and
beings.
selling human beings.
Where it happened? कब हुआ था ये हमारा buying and selling of human beings? Yeah, just Google it and find out. And this is also one of the tasks for you, that in today's life is still it is existing or not. Not right now. You have to Google it, and if you will to say, you will discuss the act of buying and selling the human beings, isn't it? This is also one of the threat to our society. The union legislature is coming in your exams.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The union government, the legislature.
The legislature.
Okay. In simple word, I want to ask Srishti, Aditi Raj, Ashish Arya. What is legislature? What do you mean by legislature?
Ma'am, may I say?
Yeah,
May I
sure.
say? May I say?
Legislature is a law-making body.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. In simple word, that it is a law-making body,
Body.
isn't it? And yes, legislature को आगे elaborate
Ma'am,
कैसे करोगे?
a
हाँ?
group of people who have the power to make and change laws.
Okay. We are going to see the extension part of the legislature in the form of parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Then we'll see the executive, the judiciary. Can you tell me the judiciary part, Ankit? Or who next part मैं पूछूंगी. Who are the judiciary part? The Supreme Court of India, the Chief Justice of India, and 25 sitting judges. Maximum number can be 31. That is the
Ma'am,
the executive.
Ma'am, the
Executive
President
में
of
कौन?
India, Prime Minister,
I'm
and
the
the
President of
I'm your
India,
I'm the
the Prime
President of India.
Basically, the Prime Minister
among the people.
Minister.
Okay. Srishti.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, legislature में कौन कौन आते हैं बताइए. Legislature means what? What? Simply you can't say that legislature. What do you mean by legislature? That parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Legislature it exists in parliament, isn't it? यहीं पे हमारे कानून बनते हैं और वहाँ पे हमारे लोक सभा और राज्य सभा दोनों रहते हैं. Isn't it? Now, we have to ensure that the union and the state government have a definite jurisdiction of legislature power without any conflict and overlapping of functioning. The makers of the constitution and enumerated and divided all the subjects on which the law could be made into 3 lists. How we are going to make laws? इसके लिए भी हमने कैटेगराइज करके रखा हुआ है यूनियन लिस्ट, स्टेट लिस्ट एंड concurrent list. आज तो पेन नहीं है आपके पास में. Tomorrow we will be having very nice activity and you will be with your A4 size paper, 4 or 5 paper, pen, color, glue and everything. Isn't it? और हम लोग सब लोग मिलकर के एक्टिविटी करेंगे और बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. ठीक है. Now, how many subjects are there in union list?
97 subjects.
97 subjects.
97 subjects. What are they? The important subjects you have to go through. 97 subjects तो हम नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं ना लिखेंगे. But कुछ important जो subjects हैं,
some of them are defense, foreign affairs, war, peace, railways, post offices, currency, foreign exchange, and etc.
And etc.
Post office, currency, and foreign exchange, etc.
Foreign
Isn't it?
exchange.
Even this post offices also comes under the union list.
Union.
Do you know this? Foreign, ये हमारा आता है post office.
Post office.
Have you been to post office?
Yes, ma'am.
Ankit, where is your nearby post office? आपके घर के पास का सबसे नजदीक का पोस्ट ऑफिस कौन सा आता है एड्रेस में? अभी आप लोग राइट डाउन योर एड्रेस, पोस्टल एड्रेस लिखिए. पोस्टल एड्रेस में आपका पोस्ट ऑफिस कौन सा आता है मुझे लिख के बताइए जल्दी. ऑल ऑफ यू राइट डाउन योर पोस्ट ऑफिस नेम. जो लोग अपने घर के पास रहते हैं उनको अपना पोस्ट ऑफिस का नाम पता होगा. जल्दी लिखो. राइट डाउन. दिस इज अ टास्क. चैट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे. लिख करके मुझे स्क्रीन पे दिखा दो.
बट वो आपको
सृष्टि,
नहीं
श्रद्धा,
जाएगा.
अदिति राज, सृष्टि
चैट बॉक्स
अदिति बताइए कौन सा पोस्ट ऑफिस है आपका? हम लेटर डालेंगे आपके पास में तो कैसे पहुंचेगा? किस पोस्ट
दानापुर।
ऑफिस में पहुंचेगा?
हम दानापुर की तरफ है।
लेटर तो फिर कहीं और चल जाएगा। कौन बोला?
एड्रेस
अंकित राज, तुम मुझे सही एड्रेस नहीं बताना चाहते।
हम बता रहे हैं।
इतना टाइम? So I will do like this. इतना टाइम लगा? I will do like this. इतना टाइम लगा? और like this. किसी को भी इधर पोस्ट ऑफिस का नाम नहीं पता था। पिन कोड, राइट डाउन योर पिन कोड।
मैम पता है मैम।
पिन कोड लिखिए जल्दी जल्दी अपना।
8,20,000
जल्दी लिख के दिखाओ। स्क्रीन
मैम 80150
पे लिख करके
मैम
दिखाओ।
801,105
मैम 801,505 मैम।
मैम 801,503
लैंडमार्क ऑफ योर हाउस, लैंडमार्क ऑफ योर हाउस।
मैम
मैम
फुलवारी
डीएवी स्कूल खगोल वाला।
नहीं फुलवारी शरीफ तो इतना बड़ा है, लैंडमार्क थोड़ी होता है। आपके गली या मोहल्ले में मुड़ने से
मैम
पहले
डीएवी खगोल वाला।
मैम नियर संत कैरन सेकेंडरी स्कूल खगोल रोड।
मैम डीएवी
लैंडमार्क
कैंट रोड ऑफिस दिखा रहे हैं।
Okay, I'm happy with all, but Ankit Raj is not sharing
Ma'am,
anything.
Kent Road
That means
office.
he doesn't want anyone to come. Okay. Get ready with your activity tomorrow. There will be very fantastic activity we will be doing tomorrow with A4 size paper, glue, pen, and everything you will be carrying on.
Okay, ma'am.
So these are the things, and the state list has how many subjects? Shraddha,
मैम 62
मैम
Aditi Raj,
66
Ma'am, 66.
66
66. Okay. The police, the local government, public
Police, local
health,
government.
sanitation, agriculture, forest, etc.
फॉरेस्ट एक्सेट्रा।
The state legislature has exclusive power to make laws on this subject, but in certain circumstances, the parliament can also make laws on subject mentioned in the state list. For example, Srishti, please come in camera. If you are having a lots of agricultural product like vegetables and all, and that are very perishable items, what you are going to do with that item? Are you going to spoil it, or the things will be expired in your particular area, or you are going to take some initiative? स्टेट लिस्ट में है कि एग्रीकल्चर भी हमारे स्टेट लिस्ट में आते हैं, और इतनी सारी सब्जियां हो रही है, फल फ्रूट्स हो रहे हैं, तो आप उनके लिए क्या इनिशिएटिव कोई ले सकता है एज ए ट्रेडर?
मैम उसको लोकल मार्केट्स में
सेल कर देंगे।
लोकल मार्केट में मैम मैम और मैं
One
गवर्नमेंट
cricket player is there. You know, one cricket player is there whose vegetables and fruits are going to the markets of London by exporting.
मैम
धोनी,
मैम
जी के
MS
बारे
धोनी,
में पता करिए।
यस मैम।
Yes, MS धोनी,
मैम
his
पापा बताए थे
vegetable
मैम।
fruits and everything, हाँ, वो डायरेक्ट लंदन में भेज रहे हैं। तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें, अगर हम स्टेट का एग्रीकल्चर का बात करते हैं, सैनिटेशन का बात करते हैं, हैव यू बीन टू राजगीर और पावापुरी? नाउअडेज सैनिटेशन का उधर कितना प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत गंदगी फैली हुई है,
बहुत गंदगी है।
बहुत गंदगी है। और सैनिटेशन की हम बात करते हैं कि स्टेट लिस्ट में हमारा सैनिटेशन का बात आता है, और मैं गई नहीं हूँ, जो लोग जाते हैं वो मुझे बता जाते हैं, मत जाइएगा, बड़ी गंदगी है ना, मत जाइएगा, बड़ी गंदगी है। तो मुझे तो ये बात पता चल जाती, मैं तो नहीं गई।
मैम एक ही मैम वाटरफॉल मैम बिहार में मैम, वहां भी इतना गंदगी है कि मैम कहीं भी नहाने नहीं दिया जाता है किसी भी वाटरफॉल में मैम, लेकिन इसमें मैम लोग शैम्पू साबुन सब लेके पहुंच जाता है, इतना गंदगी फैला जाता है।
शावर, नेचुरल शावर, it's a natural shower. So these are the things that you have to go through the in the sanitation, agriculture, forest. Even the forest are also known as a state property, isn't it? And the local government has to look after it. Now, what do you mean by concurrent list?
And the
How many subjects are there in the concurrent list?
52
Ma'am,
and
52.
It
52
has 52
subjects.
subjects.
current में 55 subject होगा.
हाँ, कौन से बेटा 2, 3 और 55 आप बता रहे हैं, तो कौन से हैं 3 और
Ma'am, 3.
जो ऐड हो गया आप जो बोल रहे हो? चलो 52 में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं.
Marriage, divorce, transfer of property,
Property, agriculture,
adulteration of foodstuffs, drugs and